Experiencing issues with your Rogers Xfinity voice remote? Let's get it working. The most common culprits are dead batteries or pairing problems. First, replace the batteries with fresh AA alkaline batteries, or recharge your XR16 remote using the USB cable. Weak batteries are the cause of over half of all remote issues. Once you've replaced the batteries, if the remote still isn't responding, it's time to repair it. To repair, hold down the Setup button until the LED flashes. Then follow the on-screen instructions, entering the 3-digit code displayed on your TV. Ensure the remote is within 30 feet of the Xfinity box and away from any metal objects that could interfere with the Bluetooth signal. Remember, these remotes use Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, so proximity matters. If fresh batteries and repairing haven't solved the problem, a reset might be necessary. This should be a last resort, as it will erase any custom voice shortcuts you've set up. To perform a hard reset, hold down the Setup and Home buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This will restore the remote to its factory defaults. If problems persist after a reset, consider rebooting your Xfinity cable box. Looking ahead, Xfinity remotes are becoming more advanced, with better voice recognition and cross-platform compatibility. Expect to see more AI-driven features and potentially even app-controlled remotes in the near future. Keep your remote's firmware updated for the best performance, and if all else fails, contact Comcast or Rogers support for a possible hardware replacement, which is often free under warranty.